Guys, welcome back. That's my video today. So you can see my name in this video today. I was talking about with Medtronic stocks and, for example, a different investing time: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40 years investing results. If interested in this exam, please continue to watch this video. I started in Medtronic stock and current price at $90.25, and sorry guys, Medtronic at $9.25. Today 0.41% crash, and last 5 days 0.25%, and last month 49.1, and last 6 months 17 and 76, and this year 14 and 94. Last 1 year 30 and 42, and last 5 years 13 and 24. And this company paid a 3% dividend every year, 13% dividend percent profit in last 5 years, and 15% dividend profit, and 13 plus 15 and 28% last 5 years return to give investors. And all position, and as you can see, different long-term investing. For example, last 5 year Medtronic, and Medtronic last 5 year Medtronic stocks, and last 5 years 2017 September before 2022 September, for example, investing $10,000. Last 5 years 2017 September 2022, $10,000 in 2017 September 27 September 82 and 03, 82 and 03, 82 and 03, $10,000, 82 and 03, and 121 stock, and after 5 years 90, 25, 121, and $10,920.25, and profit last 5 years long-term investing is not big, it's plus dividends. And the last 10 years 2012 September before 2022 September, 2012 September 40 and 66, $10,000 divide 40 and 66, $245, stocks, and 245, 90, 25, $22,111.25. Our investing $10,000 if invested 10 years ago, and plus good dividends. And for next option, last 15 years 2007 September before 2022 September 2007 53 and 05 53 and 05 188 stock 188 stocks 188 multiply current stock price 90 and 25 and $16,967 plus dividends. And last 20 years 2002 September before 2022 September 2002 September 41 and 18 41 and 18 242 stocks 242 stocks and 242 multiply current stock price 1925 $21,840 if invested and plus dividends, good dividends. In the last 25 years 1997 September before 2022 September 1997 September 22 $10,000 divide 22 and 42 $446 446 stocks 446 stocks and 446 stocks and multiply in 90 and 25 and 40,000 and 251 plus dividends. And last 30 years and 1992 September before 2022 September and 1992 5 and 23 5 and 1912 stocks 1912 stocks and 1912 stocks multiply current 19 and 25 and 172,551 thousand plus dividends plus dividends. And last 35 years and 1987 September before 2022 September and 1987 September. One in 58. 1 in 58. 6,329 stocks and 6,329 stocks multiply 90 and 25 if $505,071 plus dividends. And last 40 years 1982 September before 2022 September. 63 cent, 63 cent, 15,873 stock. September 1982 and 2022, as you can see, it's stock in 15,873 stock, and current price 90 and 25 is 1,432,538.25. It's plus dividends. Okay, this result. Medtronic stocks, for example, investing $10,000 at 5 years ago and September 2017 before 2022 September, and $10,000 mean $10,920 and clean profit $920 last 5 years. So small but profit, and plus dividends 15%. And last 10 years, 2012 September before 2022 September, our investing $10,000 mean $22,111.25 plus good dividends 30%, and clean profit $12,111.25 plus dividends 30%. As if we invested 10 years Medtronic. Last 15 years and 2007 September before 2022 September, and $21,840.50 plus dividend. Last 20 years, 2002 before 2022, $21,840.50, and last 25 years, 1997 before 2022 September, and $40,251.50, a clean profit $40,251.50, and 3 multiplied 25 and 75% dividend, minimum dividend stock price. And 30 years, 1992 September before 2022 September, and $172,558 plus dividends 90%. And last 35 years, 1987 September before 2022 September, $571,192.25 plus dividend and 105%. And last 40 years, 1982 September before 2022 September, $1,432,538.25 plus 120% dividend minimum. Result, and good option, it's investing 20 years long-term investing, 25 years investing, good option for Medtronic stocks. This result for long-term investing not incredible, but normally it's invested when we have in different in other companies, and long-term investing by Medtronic can be investing, but I don't recommend investing in Medtronic. Want to let this dividend strategy because paid Medtronic 3 and more %, and so long-term investing this 3% and every year more to more. Okay, that's all for now. I hope it's interesting video for you. If you like the video, please put like and subscribe to the channel. Please write comment in this video. Thank you all for your attention and your time. See you soon. Bye next time. Best video. Bye bye.